Oh, maybe we plug that end in.
That usually helps. I will be right back. Welcome back to Mama's Treasures, everyone. We are curious to know what was underneath these carpets in the living room and the kitchen. So we just kind of pulled this up here by the doorway of the living room and the kitchen. And there appears to be some old linoleum, probably underneath the kitchen linoleum as well. So that's kind of a nice little thing to see. But then we were also wondering what might be under the carpeting in this bedroom. We went into the closet here in this bedroom off of the living room, and we thought what we were pulling back was going to be hardwood.
It looks varnished.
But it looks like it's underneath the baseboards too. Then we're spotting some linoleum here as well. That is cool linoleum.
That's just one piece. That's one piece, and then it goes to this other silver stuff that's in the living room. Actually, it's a double layer.
So, do you think we have hardwoods?
Well, I think that's this planking. We could pull the register up. Check. We go over here.
Now that there's some stuff away from the walls, you can see that there's this nice wide baseboard all around in the original part of the house. It's really, really dirty, obviously.
But it's the same as on the ledges.
Yeah.
So it's kind of nice.
The windowsills are really pretty.
But you'd have to change out the window somehow. But underneath here, I see more lino. Underneath the lino is the planking, it looks like. So it might be, I don't know if hardwood it would be called or just planking, I'm not sure.
Well, even that old linoleum is cool. Better than this 60s, 70s rug anyway. The other day I was telling you that this was some sort of a painting and that it was really heavy. Or not a painting, a cross stitch. But there's glass over it, and it looks like this might have been a coffee table at one point. Don't know where the legs would have ended up.
I think they taped glass over it.
Yeah, I wonder this is like some sort of a vinyl wood grain tape on here. Like you can squish it. There's something underneath here, some sort of a frame. I don't know. They made a top of a coffee table. I don't know what this is covering. Some piece of furniture anyway. This used to be. Old crazy carpet here. Is that what this is? A crazy carpet?
It's an old crazy carpet.
Calico? Still in the spare bedroom here. Sounds like there might be some change in this old little piggy bank. Let's see what we got.
Maybe the first money we found.
Yeah, other than some
Pennies.
Oh, just more pennies. Just pennies. Shucks.
41. Some old pennies. 66. 76. 75. So there's just some pennies.
We don't even have penny currency in Canada anymore. That's pretty pointless. I've been amazed at these glass furniture leg. What do you call these things? furniture leg holders. I don't know. But these ones are brown, but they're glass. We found clear ones. At first, I thought they were like little ashtrays until Jason clued me in. But yeah, they're even under the dresser over there. The dresser has smaller ones and the bed has bigger ones. I remember as a kid there was steel ones with carpeting underneath. They were kind of cupped, but I have never seen glass ones before. That is pretty cool.
It's varnished hardwoods.
We're still on our hardwood
It's varnished.
journey. There are hardwoods in the house.
Yep.
So cool.
So we could peel the rug off and it'll have a nice wood look. We can just dispose of the rug.
Oh, that's awesome. Do you think that maybe this second piece of trim over the rug was put on when they put the rug in?
This would have just been added later.
Oh.
Unless it was on there and they just put it back on. But I don't know what the floor is going to be in for shape, but it's wide. It is definitely hardwood flooring.
It's a pretty color.
It might really dress things up. We just got it home. Get the rug out of here.
That's an exciting find. This is the doorway to the bathroom. There's hardwood in the hallway.
And it goes underneath into the bathroom. It looks like a... So, but there is a little lino in here. Really old. Really old. I could shine my light.
Really colorful.
Yep. So they've never taken anything out. That's some old flooring in there. It looks like they glued it on, or tried to. But it's separated, probably because there's no heat in the house.
That linoleum is pretty cool, actually.
So that probably carries throughout the whole house. Like, simply pull the rugs and make it look a lot more appealing.
We might be playing with fire, but we've plugged in this old washing machine that's in the closet, which still has the manual for it, of course. So why wouldn't you keep that? We've plugged it into the outlet that is sitting beside the toilet. Why wouldn't you have an outlet beside the toilet? All right, so can we
Got
get
instructions?
this thing all...
Well, I don't know why there's two.
Oh my goodness. It says wash, dry, and selector, and a spinner. So is it actually a washer and a dryer combo?
I don't know.
Let's check the manual.
Just a washer.
Portable washer.
I'm scared. It actually still turns on, so it's power. This would be a spinner, right?
Yes, that would be a
So
spinner.
how would you turn the... That's the pump. Willing to... Like, where does this go? Is there a drain hose back here?
It looks like it was vented.
Well, this is actually the drain that goes down. And this is connected to the sink. So this drains down, connects to the other plumbing as well. This drains the sink. This is the drain pipe.
Okay.
I think we're gonna unplug it though. It's got a ground. They just plugged it in because everything in the house is two. There's no ground.
Yeah.
Like that. So I think we should unplug.
Yes, we should. Just leave.
So does this one work? There's two here.
Well, here's the cord. Let's try it.
You're not gonna plug it in because this house is so old. It doesn't have wiring.
Oh, that's right. You gotta put it into that thing.
Yep. So we'll just plug this into here. And that's what they did too. You can tell it's been bent up. I will take this off here.
We could probably just put the lid back on the toilet. close this
Not
up.
really, because we have to ensure that that flap closes.
Well, it would look a little better.
And it's only us here. We're not getting any company. Okay, I'll just put this over here. I don't know, it might actually work. They must have just took the drain and put it into the sink, right?
I don't know.
Because there is no drain, so I'm assuming they just use this to empty the washer. That's why that
Oh,
hose is in is probably
that makes sense. You're so smart.
not real. Okay.
So
I
what do
don't know
we
which
have
one's-
here? This is a Speed Queen Super Twin.
Okay, why don't I? Let's look inside.
It has suds return. There's a spinner. It's a washing machine. And it's an arcumatic agitation. There's a rinse hole. I don't know what that is for.
Well, I wonder if you put that suds return. This is a more modern, because I remember when I was a little boy, mom got a washer with suds return, so she would use a wash basin.
Could use the water more than once.
So you could put that. Yep, I think you could reuse the water.
Yeah, my mom did that too. All right, let's check this baby out. Ooh.
The hose is still in there.
Ah.
This one looks actually. These are plastic tops. These are steel tops. But that one, this side piece looks in better shape. I wonder if it. They might both work. Here, let's see. You ready?
Yep.
Okay, that's the.
Sounds like an oven.
That's wash. Spinner.
There's a hose in there.
Oh, because I gotta turn it on. Oh, maybe we plug that end in.
That usually helps. I will be right back.
Okay. Now we're ready. Spin. That's not turning.
Honey, we can wash clothes tomorrow.
That's crazy. That's wash. But your spinner doesn't spin. This is your spinner. Yeah, something's. It might be a belt. You have to get open it up. But this works.
Crazy.
So you'd have to pull out the back and check. And see.
We've pulled up the rug from that bedroom and the living room, and look at the beautiful hardwoods that are in here. It just looks so much better right away, just like this. There's hardwoods in the kitchen as well. So this is where we've got the living room furniture right now. But as Jason was scraping up that backing from the rug, I was cleaning out this little chest here. And look what I found. Wrapped up in a bag. I think these are the legs to that piece that I was showing you right there. I think we have a complete coffee table now. We'll have to take it out and see if that's actually what they are. Yep, it was the legs. Look how cute our little living room looks now. We went further with ripping out the flooring, and here is what we discovered underneath the first layer of linoleum. Isn't this awesome? This has got to be like 50s kitsch, really kitsch. And makes sense why they picked the pink kitchen table set. This thing must have been covered the whole time because it is in pristine condition, this table. It is absolutely amazing. Love it. So the table is white and the chairs are pink. I love that set. Isn't it so cute? It just brightens everything up right away. And it's smelling a whole lot better in here too because we brought our diffuser from home. But I think just being around in here and vacuuming and pulling stuff up is helping too with the old smell. So it's really starting to look like a home again, even though we're emptying out as we go. I love it.